did not object to Ms. Investigator Garcia's opportunity to question Manuel Garcia, and therefore he was permitted to testify. The only other person that testified here was Investigator Elizabeth Garcia, and she is prosecuting this case. The
I
reason that she was put under oath,
I
basically.
object to Mr.
I'm sorry, ma'am,
Bustamante.
but I'm speaking right now, ma'am. I didn't interrupt you. So the only witness that testified here was Mr. Manuel Garcia, and Ms. Valencia did not object to his testimony. And in fact, essentially, we believe that that was proper. Backing up a little, as you well know, stewards, this is a summary suspension hearing. The only issue at hand is whether the summary suspension should continue. These are quasi-judicial administrative proceedings in which the rules of evidence do not strictly apply. Regarding the USDA report, that is a business record exception to the hearsay rule, in the sense that those are the types of reports that the commission will receive and that investigators and stewards and staff alike will rely on in the regular course of their duties. With respect to the documents of the Mr. Garcia's license applications, well, all of that information was provided directly by Mr. Garcia as he filled those out. And those, again, are records that are regularly relied on and received by the commission, on which every member of the commission relies on for the information presented in that in order to conduct their regular respective duties. Um, um, and above all, the stewards, all of this evidence introduced, as well as the testimony, circumstantial evidence can be sufficient to provide a preponderance of the evidence for the stewards to consider whether they should keep Mr. Garcia summarily suspended. And all of the testimony here today by Mr. Garcia, as well as all the documents introduced, all of those, the stewards will determine what weight and effect, if any, to give to those documents. And after all the evidence is presented and arguments are made, whether the stewards believe that in total, the commission has met its burden to show by a preponderance of the evidence that the summary suspension should continue because Mr. Garcia continues to pose an immediate danger to the health, safety, and welfare of the racing industry. Thank you, stewards.
Thank
Yes,
you, Mr. Bustamante.
I would like to object to the statement just made by Mr. Bustamante. He is neither a party or counsel unless he can clarify that he is a party or an attorney for the stewards. Mr. Bustamante?
I am the in-house counsel for the State of New Mexico Racing Commission. In this instance, basically, I'm here to, as a legal advisor and as legal counsel for investigator Elizabeth Garcia, who is a member of the State of New Mexico Racing Commission, specifically Investigator Garcia.
Thank you, Mr. Bustamante. Your objections, ma'am, have been so noted. Right, at this time, I think that Ms. Garcia, do you have anything else?
No, I do not.
At this time, we're going to go into deliberation and recommendation, and we'll get back with you in a few minutes.
Let me go off the record. Okay, we're off the record. I'm going to exit the room.
When you're done,
Okay, we're coming back on. If everyone can please rejoin. Stupid people.
We ready?
No, the attorney's not there.
Oh.
Miss Valencia, can you hear us? We're ready to go back on the record.
Am I muted? Oh.
Hello, I apologize.
Sorry, I'm trying to catch my. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. 1 second. Thank you. We're back on the record.
All right, we're back on record in the case of Mr. Garcia. And the time is approximately 2:52 p.m. And at this time, the stewards have come to a decision. And that decision is that Mr. Garcia will remain summarily suspended pending the outcome of a disciplinary hearing. And that he will be notified, and that will be scheduled at a later date. That will conclude this hearing this morning, or this afternoon.
Okay, thank you. Let me go off the record. Okay, we're off the record. All right, thank you.
Thank you all.